Mga Dabarkads, may kakausapin tayong isang napaka-importanteng tao sa buhay ni Francis Magalona. Ang nakasama niya sa labang ito mula simula. Ang ina ng mga anak ni Kiko, ang kanyang kabiyak na si Pia Magalona. Hi, Pi!
Hi, P. Hello. Hello, everybody. Thank you.
Hi, Pia. Maraming salamat sa pagbibigay puwang mo sa Eat Bulaga na maging bahagi ni Kiko at maging bahagi ng inyong pamilya. Alam namin kung anong nararamdaman mo, Pia. Nakikiramay kami uli.
Hi, P.
Yes,
P,
hi.
nais ka naming makausap dahil napakaraming mga kaibigan, Dabarkads, tagahanga si Kiko na nag-i-email, nagsusulat sa website, tumatawag, nagte-text at ipinahatid sa inyong pamilya ang kanilang pakikiramay.
Yes.
Anong masasabi mo sa mga Dabarkads?
Yes, first of all, I'd like to say that it's my first time to grant an interview, and I'm so glad that it's still on Eat Bulaga, where we've always shared our journey all throughout this battle that Francis calls, of course, is Happy Battle. And maraming salamat sa lahat ng naging bahagi ng buhay niya. And maraming salamat, of course, to Eat Bulaga dahil na nagawa nila yung itong buong tribute na ito like in a matter of so many hours after my husband left us. And I'm so touched, you know, it's like ako talaga, masaya lang talaga ako for him kasi madaming taong nagmamahal sa kanya, pero ako, I'm just so lucky na I was able to spend so much time with him every single day of my life that we were together. And I know that he and I were a great influence on each other. And as he said in the line of his song that he wrote is, I am you and you are me. And I'm glad na nakita ng buong mundo kung ano yung through Eat Bulaga. And si Francis kasi all he wanted to do was reach out to so many people. Mahal na mahal niya kasi ang Pilipinas. And he just wanted talaga to, you know, show the whole world. As he said, he wanted to Filipinize the world one person at a time. You know, when he says Filipinize, kasi proud siya sa mga good traits ng Filipino. And gusto niya na yun ang ipaalam natin sa ibang bansa na meron tayong ganon, na karunungan at kagitingan. So, finally, sa paraan ng kanyang kanta is na-reach out niya sa mga tao, and Francis M. transcends all ages and all groups. As we saw, thank you so much. Dun sa nakita ko kanina, first like with Gary V, and then years later with Ellie Buendia, it's still, andyan pa rin siya, you know, like, natatouch niya talaga lahat ng tao na na-meet niya. So, above all, gusto ko magpasalamat sa lahat ng tao na humahanga sa kanya at sumusunod sa kanyang footsteps. And kahit hindi siya perfect, is alam niya na yung pagkakamali niya is kailangan niyang baguhin, and bumangon siya sa kung ano man ang lahat ng trials niya. So, is that okay? Hello?
Pia,
Yes,
thank
Pia,
you.
we're listening.
Yes.
Pia, we'd like to thank you for your time this afternoon. At maraming salamat for being so strong, P. Nagiging malaking inspirasyon ka rin sa mga lahat ng nakakaalam na through all this, you are being strong and you are in a good state of mind. Sabi mo nga,
Yeah.
you're just so happy because Francis lived such a full and
Yes.
successful life.
Oo. And maano ko na, you know, he made his children proud, he made me proud, and he made his country proud of him, you know. So, sa akin yun. And I also want to say, like, all throughout, parang nakakagulat talaga na bigla na lang siyang nawala sa atin. But true to form, is like, si Francis hindi niya talaga pinapakita pag meron siyang iniinda na sakit, like, kahit na masakit, he has to show na, hindi lang sa show, but he does it for himself, and he does it to be a good example kasi, like, basta non-stop kasi talaga siya na, gusto lang niya talagang maka-accomplish ng so many things at the same time, like, basta it's like bursting with, with all of this inside him. And every single day, parang of this time, hindi talaga, it wasn't about the illness, hindi tungkol sa pagkakaroon niya ng sakit, hindi niya yun inisip. Basta inisip niya is, lagi kahit na nasa hospital siya, gumagawa pa rin siya ng something productive, nagsusulat siya, kasi siya, madami kaming mga recordings na kaming dalawa lang in the room, and like, yun, gusto ko rin yun i-share sa mga tao kasi that's the other side of him. So, someday, maano natin, and ako talaga gusto kong malaman ng tao talaga yung, kung ano lang talaga yung gustong sigurong
Iparating?
yes, and yung parang reason kung bakit nandito siya nilagay sa ating world, 'di ba? Na 'di ba, like everybody has a purpose. So ginawa naman niya, ginanap niya, and I told him rin naman before, like even when he was first diagnosed, like we said, like when we first found out, kanya na, syempre, it's shocking, and then we got over it right away, and then like sabi ko nga, madami ka naman narating and all, and madami kang na-touch. So if you really have to go, it's okay.
Alam mo, Pia, yung buhay niya tsaka yung work niya will continue to be an inspiration to Filipinos all over the world.
Yes, thank you so much, Pia, and all of the people. I won't na name everybody, like isa-isa, kasi alam niyo naman yung, di ba, we're all the same. We're all together, and like even if Francis is gone here, like physically, we're still with you. We're like, I'm still with you, and like I'm not, just gonna disappear just like that. So thank you for being my friends also, everyone, being my family, and also to all my children. They say thank you also to all of you.
Likewise, Pia, lahat ng Dabarkad sa buong mundo, buong Itbulaga will be here for you.